This step is so satisfying, I always enjoy it. Try to keep your folds straight, it really helps your box look neat in the end. Next, we'll make the box shape. Lift up the sides, the four edges, and fold the corners in. Apply a little glue where the edges meet. Press gently and hold for a few seconds so it sticks nicely. And there you go, you'll start seeing your box shape appear. It already looks so cute. Now let's make a pretty lid to cover our box. For that, I'm taking another square sheet. This one is just a tiny bit bigger, about 7.2 inches on each side. That extra bit helps the lid fit perfectly. We'll repeat the same steps, marking the lines, folding, and gluing the sides. When you place it on the box, it should slide on smoothly, not too tight, not too loose. It's such a satisfying moment when it fits just right.
तो रेडी है प्यार।